I'm Yankadaw Doji and I'm from Bhutan. I'm 60 years old. And I first came to Saul Heart Center in GK in September 2024. And I actually came to Saul because, I had gone through some regular checkup in Nura and there were some calcifications in my heart. My calcium score was high and I met Dr. Zain. And after I met him, he asked me to do several tests. I had my left ventricle ejection fraction was 54%. I had 50% blockages in my carotid. I was advised to go through with Saul Heart Center's program which they have, doing EECP and ETDA, that's a detox for 20 days. And I completed the program on their advice very strictly. So I came back to Delhi after 6 months and I was asked to redo my tests. I found out that my left ventricle ejection fraction had increased from 54 to 60%. Blockages had reduced by 40% in my 3 arteries. I would like to especially thank Dr. Zain and the team in Saul Heart Center. I have recommended my family and my friends, and I would recommend anybody who has similar kind of problem like me. For me, it was an amazing journey.